Hey guys, in today's video, I'm excited to share my need for a review of the GAN 12 maglev UV coating. This cube is the flagship of the brand GAN, and it comes with a stunning UV coating that gives it a shiny and sleek look. But is it worth the hype, or is it just another 3x3 cube with mediocre performance? Let's find out! First off, let's talk about the price. The GAN 12 maglev is priced at $79, which is a bit steep for a 3x3 cube. However, I have to say that the quality of the cube is worth the price. It feels solid in my hand and has a satisfying weight to it. But let's talk about the performance. The GAN 12 maglev is known for its fast playtime, and it delivers on that front. It has a smooth and quiet mechanism that allows for a seamless transition between moves. The only downside is that it can be a bit tricky to figure out at first. But with a bit of practice, you'll be able to master it in no time. Now, let's talk about the UV coating. The coating on this cube shines like a diamond, and it's incredibly durable. It doesn't seem to get dirty as easily as other cubes, and it stays looking brand new for a long time. However, it does tend to collect fingerprints and smudges, so it's best to keep it in a case when not in use. Overall, the GAN 12 maglev is a great cube for those who want a top-of-the-line 3x3 with a stunning UV coating. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, I would recommend checking out other brands like Spectrum or Vivid. In conclusion, the GAN 12 maglev UV coating is a great cube that delivers on its promises. It has a satisfying weight and smooth playtime, and the UV coating adds an extra layer of durability. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option, there are plenty of other 3x3 cubes to choose from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.